Yes. This pool is awesome. Really cool lights in this kitchen. What's going on, guys? It is Payton Fisher, and we are at the Desert Oasis Villa at Stucki Farms. Now, this property is also a pretty big one. It's 6,270 square feet, 9 bedrooms, 11 bathrooms. This is on 2 floors, and it has a 4-car garage. Let me turn you around here so you can see it as we walk up to it right now. So we've got the 2nd story looking up there. Looks like we've got a big pool in the backyard. And as we come in, looks like there is 2 garages on this side and 2 garages on this side. It looks like we're gonna enter right in here. All right, as we look right in, we've got a really cool modern handrail here. And we're gonna follow the arrows. We're gonna go upstairs. Up to the top here. This is a vacation rental home. Cool area upstairs just to kind of hang out. There's a huge fireplace. Super tall ceilings, even upstairs.
Hey, how are you doing?
Hello, how are you guys?
Good.
Doing tours. All right, so bathroom 1 upstairs. We've got some cool texture on these stone here. Every other gives it some fun dimension in there. Excuse me. As we come through, looks like we've got bedroom 1 of 11. And there is going to be a lot more building going on around here. This is to the outside front. Excuse me. That's cool. They've actually labeled the bedrooms because there's so many of them. That is awesome. So, same type of tile, but just different colors and a little bit different of a texture. Really cool, though. Excuse me. So far, different colors. Fun fan. Excuse me. Lots of different colors in this house so far. So we've got bathtub. Now this is the same tile as one of the other ones. The other bathroom.
Is there? Oh yeah.
Fun built-in bunk beds. Big kings on the bottom. King here, queen there. And that could be potentially queen also. Lots of room though. Coming back out. Oh, fun. 4 TVs. Oh, fun. Another bed. Decent sized shower. And still cabinets off the floor, like most of the other houses. I think this is kind of comical. Open this up and tell to the world You're here. The V. I don't know what that means, but big fan here. Thank you. Appreciate that.
What? Oh. Here, Celia.
All right, then as we come to the left. Oh wait, nope, this is the exit. We don't want to go to the exit yet. We want to come back out this way.
Got it.
Sneak behind you here, excuse me. Whoa. This is a fun movie theater room here. The kitchen in here. Not a ton of light in this bathroom. Oh, excuse me, sorry. Oh, sorry. Sorry. I think I'm lost. There are so many bedrooms. Whoa, cool pool back there. We gotta go check out the pool. Alright, this is what I'm the most excited for, is back here. Yes. This pool is awesome. Looks like we got some sand in it, probably blown in overnight. Fun rock feature. Jump up on the slide. Looks like you got a little jumping area over there. This is way cool. Fun entertainment area in the back. Fun barbecue area. Got the TV over here. Can swivel both ways. That's cool. What room is this? All of this will be built one day. Cool little ping pong area back here. Got the fun fire pit. Come back in here. Really cool lights in this kitchen. This is the second time we've seen this double island. Love that. There's a sink and a sink there. So they've got chairs on one side and a big bench on the other. And you gotta also look at the different colors of cabinets here. Looks like they got the Wolf KitchenAid going. Double oven here. Can sit all the way across this and sit all the way across that. Awesomely big. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, this is number one. Not to say this is the master suite. It does have a cool entrance or exit back out onto the patio where we just were just a minute ago. And it does look like this bathroom is by far the biggest. Got the big shower here. And we've got a double vanity there. Actually a double vanity with a sink or a spot in the middle to do makeup, and closet.
Okay, I like this one's better.
All right, now we're gonna head back out. I've only seen one washer and dryer in this whole house. Whoa. They definitely put a flaky coat on that. This is the two-car garage on this side. I literally just felt like I was lost in that house with 11 bedrooms. Truth be told, I don't even know if I saw all of them just because there were so many. That is a vacation rental home that you can rent for big family reunions. It is absolutely epic. The only downside that I really saw, I think, was the lighting in some of the closets weren't the brightest. They were a little bit dark, and there was only one washer and dryer. You have 30 people there. I mean, mind you, you're on vacation, so you're probably not thinking about doing laundry. But the house was still incredible, absolutely huge, ton of amenities, some really fun stuff going on. And it's right here in southern Utah where you're either going to be buying that for an investment property or you have 11 kids. That said, we're going to head out to the next house. Tell me what you liked about that house and tell me what you didn't like about that house right down below. And then click right over here to watch that next video. See ya.